Yes. Multiple times.
That is unfortunate.
Yes, yes.
Because mine disappeared for one. Right, well, I've done 3 weeks ago. And then mine disappeared for a couple of 2 weeks.